Welcome to our discussion on a compelling subject that impacts every enterprise, regardless of the industry, the future of deferred maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Together, we'll explore whether deferred maintenance is likely to increase or decrease in the future and how technology is shaping this trend. You'll learn how maintenance strategies are changing and how the adoption of new technologies can help streamline your processes and decrease deferred maintenance. Let's dive in. Globally speaking, it seems like deferred maintenance is likely to decrease in the future. Why do we say this? Well, more organizations are starting to understand the importance of proper maintenance practices. For example, across the nation, voters are supporting more funding for much-needed repairs in schools, raising billions of dollars for the task. This increased awareness indicates that company leadership might be more open to funding long-delayed maintenance tasks. So, as maintenance managers and directors take the initiative, we can expect a decrease in deferred maintenance. But that's not all. The evolution of technology is another sign pointing towards a decrease in deferred maintenance. Predictive maintenance, coupled with Internet of Things or IoT technology, is making it easier to diagnose problems before they develop. This technology allows for better asset monitoring and can prevent more costly wear. As these expensive tasks become less common, there's less chance that the company will run out of budget. As maintenance departments continue to adopt IoT technology and integrate it into their processes, they should see a drop in deferred maintenance tasks. And there's more technology that can help. New software like CMMS programs are helping to organize maintenance procedures and combat the waste of time due to poor planning. Better maintenance planning through effective use of these programs means more assigned maintenance tasks are completed on time, and fewer tasks are deferred due to time constraints. Moreover, CMMS software can be used to better plan preventive maintenance tasks. As the program tracks data, it informs maintenance decisions, allowing planners to prioritize tasks that will have the greatest impact on preventing failures and excessive wear. This not only frees up budget by streamlining preventive maintenance tasks, but it can also reduce the incidence of expensive repair work that might be put off. Now, you might be wondering, will deferred maintenance decrease in your organization specifically? Well, that's really up to you. By using new technologies to streamline your maintenance processes and prevent expensive corrective maintenance tasks, you should see a decrease in deferred maintenance. So the future of deferred maintenance looks promising, and it's all in your hands. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored how deferred maintenance is likely to decrease in the future due to understanding the importance of proper maintenance practices and the evolution of technology like IoT and CMMS. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help streamline your maintenance processes, visit us at upkeep.com.